Select the facade entity. Specify the type of verification to perform. Click on an external wall perimeter. Insert ties as the desired reinforcement method. Define the tie material and geometry. Insert the first extremity and move to trace the tie extension. Position the second extremity on another wall. Use clamping to define the wall to slab anchoring. Specify whether the slab prevents the bottom section against toppling. See the facade calculation scheme. View the facade kinematic verifications.